1.22,
Hey, it's Katsumi.
Season 9, Las
He's
Vegas.
on our side now.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Select your hero.
Hello there, Katsumi. You ready to win?
Oh, have you been facing those guys, or what? Oh, Taco.
I think we played against Taco Tiger once. I think he was a May. Could be wrong.
He's kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad he's on the other team.
Yeah? Okay.
Alright, it looks like they're gonna have a pretty decent comp. Oh, we don't have Mercy?
That's fine.
I think Mercy is really good here.
Your DPS last game was terrible. They went Soldier McCree one time and they still couldn't get me.
It's so sad.
Wait, I don't want a DPS.
Oh, well, you chose a DPS hero. Should I?
That's
Let's try this, I guess.
We'll give this a try.
For some reason, no, honestly, I just thought Blue, you were gonna Mercy solo.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's okay. Like,
You guys
got
got
Yada.
faith in myself.
we have, like, Hog is DPS-y, kind of, and Zen and, Moira, so.
I just didn't think we'd need that much healing.
This can be a good
Too
comp.
much.
I like you with the sim picks, though. Big teleporter maps.
Defend objective.
Yeah, it is.
1.22 Season 9, Wednesday,
Usually run
14,
Genji, too.
2018.
Nice.
Oh, what a
Oh,
pick.
okay, they got a fister.
You're going
Diva
left.
up by yourself,
Left side?
Diva up.
Yeah, no, just Diva. And I hear
They do
Doom.
this, do
Maybe
Oh,
Sombra?
fist up.
Yeah, they
Fist
got
up.
fist.
Diva's on the room, left side.
Depends on how long they want to run it.
They go on top left. Diva pulled in.
Diva half.
Dive Diva, dive everyone Diva. Baby Diva, baby Diva. Nice
Yeah,
kill.
watch her.
Stay together. Get by Orion. Get by Orion. Get by Orion.
I
Good
came out of
kill.
the corner and he got me.
What's your...
Got him.
That was great.
You almost have total teleporters, that's good. They're not...
Mhm.
We've canceled their push. So...
I
Kind of
know.
takes a little bit of time to like really gather a push for this. Should we reset up top left? What's in top?
Yeah, fair now.
Yeah,
watch
that's
out.
great. That's great.
Okay. Let's set up top.
Do we have hit scan? Nope. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Go fair
Oh.
in the air. Fair half.
Sorry, Blueberry. I'll stay near the ground more.
Be by
Trying
Orion.
to get back.
Group on Orion. Get that
Going
teleporter ASAP.
Yep.
Right side.
Monkey. Monkey focus. Good
Hey,
charge.
Ooh, good pin. Your anti left side.
Got one.
Go in now, go in. Zen's low back there, right side behind us. Hey, push him with the trap.
Ah, that did not go where I was aiming it.
There's a Winston behind.
Copy.
Copy that.
Our Hog is going for it. Got one.
Oh, what?
That was overhead.
That pole would have saved me. Thanks for teleporter.
Yep.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Up fair.
Pro shit. Nice vape take. Nice vape take. Diva, Diva, Diva.
Right side. Anna. Soldier. Right side. Behind you.
There.
Hog. Okay, Hog and
Do we step border?
go through the tele. Yeah.
We got a touch.
Hog, go ahead, go ahead.
My teleporter is offline. The spa.
Oh,
Where
Hoggy.
you at? Come here.
Touching it.
Where are we?
Should have took the vape. That was a good long
Nothing?
hold. It's alright.
Yeah.
I think we
Okay,
gotta
okay.
give it up.
That's fine.
Lost. Stop the payload.
Good job with the porter.
What are they
though,
doing, dive?
And then swapping right away.
Yeah, they're doing dive.
Yeah, we need a hit scan.
Maybe a reap. You want me to
We've
switch?
got 3 supports right now, so
Oh yeah. I'm so
can any of you
I'm a main
play hit
support,
scan?
so I'll go back.
Can you play like a soldier?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, fair. Yep. Okay. No mercy though, right? Okay.
Oh, lucky charge. Anna pulled. Ah, fuck. They're just like spamming us like crazy.
Oh, she's one hit.
I should probably go Zarya. Should I? I got a whole hog soon. Should I just go Zarya now or save the whole hog?
Yeah, it goes Arya.
Together, we are strong.
Yeah, we can combo.
My ultimate is charging.
Okay.
My ultimate is ready.
And you're alone over there.
How about Zarya? Katsumi?
Yeah, I got dived on.
Yeah, I got 2 picks.
We either need an anti-dive or to stop dying.
Yeah, I was gonna go
I do say
anti-dive,
that
but-
knowing fully well that I also died by myself, but barring that.
I could group with you a little bit better for sure.
Farah won.
Oh, great.
Winston half. Hey, Winston's low. Never mind.
Just go on Tracer to get out fast.
Complete.
They're diving us pretty well.
Score.
Indeed.
Alright, so
Switch
Um,
sides. Prepare to attack.
who was it that was trying to heal?
Your kill.
You can have it.
No, not you. You're good. You usually main heal, but who was the other one?
I don't know. We had 3 supports for a minute, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Usually Dreamer and Blueberry heals, right?
Right. Let
Um,
Katsumi and Fur tank, and then Lofty, can you go DPS?
Yeah. What hero do you guys want?
Go ahead and you know, something that you're feeling good with. I think Tracer would be great here personally, because it's gonna annoy the fuck out of them if they try to set up on the high point and you just keep making them go back and check.
Alright.
We would need maybe a mini. I trust the tanks. If they want to go like that, that's fine. I can heal it. I'm gonna go Moira. Blue, can you Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if they thought they were doing really good. I don't think they did really good. I feel like we just didn't do really great.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I switched just from Farah earlier.
No time.
About to get taken.
I couldn't figure out like what we needed to do to stop them, honestly.
No, we figured it out. We just got it a little too late. Like, we needed to bunker down. I picked support after Symmetra because I kept thinking that we were doing solo.
5,
solo heals.
3,
Gotcha.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Alright, let's group with the tanks.
Set up top right.
They have Widow.
Oh, they do.
Yep.
And they have junk.
Oh shit.
Can I throw an orb?
Got the Widow, got the Widow.
Beautiful.
I got your heals. I got your heals.
Anna's low.
Anna's dead.
Ryan low.
Yep.
Moira low.
Right down.
One
Got it.
push, one push.
Get ready for the push.
Nice. We won't push them. Good job.
Objective A captured.
Alright, don't go too far. Like, have an objective.
I think I'm gonna try to go up and do one pulse and then build another one before the grab.
Alright. Yeah, we're here.
Got
I
one.
gotta zoom.
Got one.
Nice pick.
They're down one healer.
Oh, that was a bad idea on my part. Thank you so much, Blueberry.
Focus Diva. Out of suit. They have Kree.
Nice.
Not bad. Pushed up too far. They have 3 down presently. We have 2 down presently. We have numbers in the front. We have Valk in the pocket. Good res. We have grab soon. Junk top. Junk top.
Ah,
Point.
I got trigger happy.
Yeah, we gotta reset. Okay, if we can get a fat grab, yeah, we have pulse bomb too. If we can get a good grab, we can pulse it. Let's wait for everyone to res.
I'll wait for it.
It appears we have suffered a minor setback.
Ignore that guy, man. You're doing great.
Oh, I know. You don't need to tell me twice.
Understood.
I don't know why they switched to junk knowing it's already open.
Okay.
Oh,
Watch your spots.
Last
Watch your
one.
spots. Oh, he wants to waste it. That's fine. Oh, junk. Junk's going off. Nice, 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 nice. Watch Moira.
Moira dead.
Okay, we gotta get back on there. Nice follow.
Tire's
I'm
low.
dead.
Oh,
That tire and the
Nice, bro.
high noon. You don't pay group and payload. Payload presence. Payload presence.
My servants never die.
They have 1 down. We have 1 down. They have 2 down.
shit. What?
They lost their Anna.
Yo, Junkrat's behind and up.
Junkrat's up
Duck
top.
half. Watch the trap on the ground. Trap on the ground. Destroyed it. Fuck. Got outplayed by the retreat.
Come on, don't touch.
Try to build a quick grab. We have pulse again. We have Earth Shatter. Our tracers in the back. They have 1 down right now.
Our duty is to move the payload. Then do it.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Well done, team.
Yeah, hold on.
Three on the right.
Oh, help.
Tires come behind, along with the McCree.
Thank you.
Tire behind.
He's coming out.
3 on payload.
You guys gotta get on payload. I'm pushing.
Oh, that was huge.
I don't know why I didn't shit.
I'm honestly very keen on going Bastion right now. What do you guys think?
Go for it.
We need
Alright.
some. I'm switching as well.
We'll grab soon.
Ready. Payload is stuck.
Breaking their shield. They have May now, apparently. Their shield's low,
Careful. They're spawning.
Woo! Heavy.
Move it.
There we go.
Alright.
Alright.
Good switch.
Score 3-3.
You got it that time.
To attack. Select your hero.
We got like, I don't know, like 1 push? 1.5?
Well, considering we got on a first push
Yeah, it's
last
not
time,
impossible. It's doable.
we just got to do it the same way.
need
I'm
a one
pretty
push
sure
plus.
we had Tracer on the point. We had some orb in the air. We had maybe like some fair damage, and we just kept pushing the point.
Yeah, we just got
The trick to playing tank is don't stop walking forward.
Attack commencing.
That's what the Reinhardt did. Their Reinhardt just lived forever through Anna and Zarya and more Anna and then... Oh, this is so annoying.
Together. Left stair.
Okay.
We're going left side?
4, 3,
I
Sounds
suppose.
good to me.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
They don't have anybody top right.
They had Widow last.
They're setting up all the way in the back.
Copy that.
They have a McCree again.
Can we get that? Charge? Use it for charge?
Enemy turret eliminated.
You can swing around. Torb behind him. That's one. Two.
Securing the objective. Enemy turret ahead. Watch.
Oh, he set up a turret.
Enemy turret neutralized.
Nice.
Great play, guys. Great play out of everyone.
Beautiful.
That was amazing.
Alright, we'll just have to push this part.
I'm gonna rush ahead, blow a pulse, and then go Bastion.
I shall seize the payload safely to its destination.
Drunk half. Drunk killed.
Way to go.
Barrage ready.
Wait for it. Let's try that again.
Okay, I'm gonna run back and go Bastion. Do I have time or no?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're rolling.
2 kills, good,
Or
big
turn-
kills, big
turn-
kills. Just be
turn
safe, stay
on the
safe,
right.
stay safe, stay
Come on the
safe.
right.
Make sure we stay on point. Don't C9.
Oh shit.
Bastion's walking back.
Cat.
They have 3 dead right now. They have a Bastion. They have a Bastion. They have a Bastion coming in.
I'm down. Bastion took me.
Gotta stay on point. Kill their hog.
No.
Ah. We got it really
That's
far
okay.
though.
Yeah, we did.
I should have probably stayed on Tracer.
Score
This is a big map.
to 3.
Yeah, it is.
This is a longer way back than I thought, really.
Prepare your defenses.
Alright.
Select
Can we do solo mercy? And then ramp up on yeah.
I like it.
Okay, I'll try to keep myself alive as best as possible.
My best time on telly is 1 minute, and that's pretty much across any map
Okay.
I shoot for. But I need to be like
It's
I need to be
early
close.
turrets up.
Yeah, and like I don't want to say like I need pocket mercy so I can go and like build it up a little bit, but like
What
You
you
know.
kind of do? Do we? Let's set up top left. Double shield. What do you guys think?
incoming in 30 seconds.
Or
Just be ready
do
to
we set
move.
up on point? Like what do we do? Yeah, I'll be ready.
As long as we
We're-
move quickly.
We're really mobile Bastion.
I
have,
feel like they're gonna run dive. It's just like
We'll see.
hunch.
then they go here. Go get them again.
need
and
2
then-
big stops.
They go there. Boom. Okay.
4.
All right, group up.
Should
No,
we
you're
also
spot-
do have this? Make sure that's not done.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
They have a fair as well.
Ryan, make sure you're using
watch
that
out.
Orisa shield as much as possible to recharge your shit.
They went left. Right into my trap.
Yeah, they're going left.
My ultimate is
Fair dead.
Diva right side on the point.
Point.
Mercy.
Oh, I got
Mercy,
point,
mercy,
point,
mercy,
point,
mercy, mercy dead, mercy dead, mercy dead, fair dead.
Beautiful.
Very winnable right now.
Thank you.
my ultimate is charged.
Your own healer is dead. Watch out.
Monkey on me. Monkey on me.
You have no healers right now.
I got murked, but I have telly.
Alright, that's fine.
Stay on point, stay on point. Defend on point.
Defend it, dude. I'm getting telly up.
Our Bastion's down. Their Winston's down, 5 on 5.
Just give me
They
5
lost their
seconds.
tanks.
4, 3.
Enemies re-engaging.
Shit.
Objective lost.
Hang on.
Stop the payload.
Good change to the hog, good change. We can stop them on this street spot. They only have 30 seconds. This is very easy. Very doable. We have shield gen. Gotta group up on tanks. Find a tank, follow a tank.
You're running away from me.
There's on hog. Following hog.
On
Our
me, on
Bastion
me.
set up up top.
On me. Hog behind.
10 seconds.
Oh, he more.
Tank form.
He's going after shield gen. Oh, he's wasting time.
Oh, huge!
Get him off the point. Just get him off the point.
Got him.
Monkey, monkey.
Dude. You get so many good rocket barrages.
Thank you.
Like,
Braxton.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Mercy.
She's holding.
Mercy dead.
My servants never die.
Oh,
Great job, guys.
Nicely done.
Play of the game.
Alright, see ya, Loppy.
See ya, man. Good games.
oh, you guys are rolling out.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna head out too.
Okay. Yeah.
That's been fun. Catch you guys later.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'm sending out some requests.
Yeah, me too.
Uh, 1.22, season 9. You gotta leave on a win. You gotta leave on a win. No vagary. Oh, did I get my last? I didn't click again. Damn it. What else did I play? That was probably most of it. I didn't think it was gonna go that quick. 1.22, season 9. It is Wednesday, my dudes. April 18, 2018. Takeaways, just good mates, man. Shit, good teammates. It brings a tear to my eye. Like, I just won like 4 or 5 straight with those guys. Like, it's so fun when you have people talking, people arranging. I had them all to favorites. Scroll. That dude Dreamer had some good strats. That guy had all of them positive mindsets. Positive people. Blueberry, Jam, Squirrel. Squirrel was eating on Farah. Oh my god. Admirable. He doesn't even have that much time on her. How does he pull it off? He just launches rockets from like 30 miles away and shit, probably. Like, I don't like doing that, Farah. I like getting up in people's face and just blasting the shit out of them, but man, that was fun. That was some of the most fun I've had on Overwatch in some time. Been winning a lot with Xylee Cakes too now. So now I have like 4, like, for sure reliable people that I can play with. At least 4. They're highly and then some of these, like Nakari's really reliable, but she's higher ranked than me, so I can't play with her. Even though, yeah, she's a mercy, man. You can joke about that or hate on that if you want, but she's really good. Beautiful stuff. And my aim, I was hitting. All these aim practices paying off. Like, a lot of those times I was going for kills and stuff, I was like sure I was going to get it because of all of my custom game practice. Hours and hours and hours. Finally paying off, thankfully. Actually feeling comfortable. It's 2 months into this new sensitivity. Once again, I've said it a lot before, but we'll say it again. I changed from, in February, mid-February, about this time in February, I changed from 1.55 on most of my heroes and a 1.6 on Tracer to now I'm at a 2.20, 2.20. And I have been for about 2 months on everyone. So it just I've been grinding the custom games and stuff just to, you know, get used to it. Let me see if my server's still up from earlier. Yeah, it is. 5 hours ago. Awesome. Oh, you can save settings? Oh, you can still settings? That's so dope that they added that. And you can choose to join or spectate. I didn't know. I've been wondering how people choose to spectate. But yeah, anyway, so I stopped playing that about 2 hours ago, and I didn't realize it was this long of a title, so you can't even see the end of it. You can't even see the full title. I need to change it to plus balance is added so that people can see. Like it's really bugging me right now that it doesn't show the full title here. This 14-year-old host need friends, match chat chill. That's funny. That's one way to make friends, I guess. But I just want to keep this going right now because, like, I just want to keep this open. I had to call it a win because that was a we almost lost, and I just wanted to leave with good vibes with those guys. Leave those guys with good vibes, but oh yeah, I don't know what else to say. I've said everything I've needed to say, really. Once again, and my Sombra was eating today. Like my aim. So righteous, and it's so good that they added, like, that they reduced the spread on Sombra. Like, it makes it so if you have solid aim, you can actually kill people. Like, before it was such a challenge. Anyway, alright, I gotta cut it. 1.22, Season 9. It is Wednesday, my dudes, April 18th, 2018. In transmission.